welcome to another video. Tomorrow we'll be leaving to Yellowstone National Park. In this video, I'll be sharing my experiences of going there, and I can't wait to see all the animals and the geysers that are there. So I'll be playing my piano music in the background, and hope you enjoy, and thanks for watching this. So yeah, it's 3 in the morning, and it's a long car journey away from here. It's a little more than 18 hours, so yeah, we're gonna leave now, and see you there. Bye. Our first stop is this place called Mammoth Hot Springs, and the reason why it's so hot and it's so colorful is because of billions of microorganisms called thermophiles that live in these hot springs, creating all these colors. And with the snow surrounding these springs, it makes it look even more amazing. Animals like elk and bison were not only in the park, they were also outside. Look at this farm, where elks are freely roaming on the roads and on the grasslands. Since the west entrance of Yellowstone National Park had finally opened today, we decided to visit the fountain Pain Point. It was super hot and super bubbly, as you see right now. The next place that we visited was a spring called the Grand Hispanic Spring. As its name suggests, it's brightly colored and super grand. Our next destination for the day is the Old Faithful Geyser. Geysers erupt with steaming hot water. Variation in each geyser's underground reservoir determines whether the geyser is regular and predictable. Please check geyser timings if you want to see the geyser erupt. The Old Faithful Geyser erupts around every 90 minutes. As we made our way back, we visited Steamboat Geyser, otherwise known as Norris. Norris is the hottest and most acidic geyser in the entire world, and it definitely felt like that. As our last destination of the day, we proceeded to Canyon Village. On this way, we saw the beautiful upper and lower falls. They were absolutely amazing, especially with the blue skies. They were terrific. Expecting to find some bears, we returned to Lamar Valley once again. But nope, we saw the same old bison and elk. But what we did find are some mountain goats, and they look super cool. Since it was only the beginning of the year, we were only able to cover 3 entrances: the north, the northeast, and the west. But still, we saw amazing views and lots of wildlife through this trip, and I really recommend everyone who's watching this video to come here and visit. Thanks for watching this video, but before the video ended, I just needed to tell you guys one thing. Signal in the national park isn't really good. Apart from the visitor center, the signal was super bad and super weak, especially for AT&T services.